Are you ready, kids?
Aye, aye, Captain!
I can't hear you!
Aye, aye, Captain!
Oh yeah!
What's up, everybody? Ahoy there! Captain Granite, back again with a new motovlog. Man, is it getting dark out quick? It's only 5 o'clock. I mean, it's cloudy, but it's getting dark. Alright, crack this open. I don't really need to, but I actually put the pin lock shield on this, finally. It only took me like a few months. But yeah, I got the pin lock on it, and it works amazing. Highly, highly recommend it. It keeps the fog out. So, what's today's motovlog about? Or this motovlog? I've already did one today. But what's this one about? What is it? It is a bit making the best of what you have. I was perusing the Twitters earlier today, and one of my one of my streamer buddies, Empty Skull Smithy, posted a video from a guy that had a pretty high, an expensive gaming chair that he's used for a number of years, and it was pretty well used. You could tell that he used it to its fullest potential. So he bought a new gaming chair, and it's, well, not as high end as the one that he replaced. And he said, you know, yeah, it might not be the most expensive. Yeah, it might not be the best that's out there. But sometimes you just have to make the best of what you have and what you can get, and do what you can. And for some reason that kind of hit me. And there's a lot of things I want to do for this channel. I mean, this year I added in, you know, the secondary camera. And I think it actually worked out pretty well. I posted a picture on Instagrams today. No, yesterday. Posted a picture on Instagram yesterday of my comparison between 2019 and 2020. Yes, I put out more videos this year, but my watch time is well up. My average view time is up. Subscriptions, I doubled pretty much. And there's something else that was also up. I can't remember what it was off the top of my head. But, you know, I'd love to get a drone. I want the Mavic Air 2. Holler and Jester just won't shut up about it. And it really makes me want it. Like, bad. I want it bad. I can't afford it. That's an investment. It's almost $1,000 drone, especially if you get the Fly More bundle. It's close to that $1,000 mark. And I just bought a house, and I'm gonna have to get rid of the Subaru too this winter because the lease is up, and we're gonna have to get into something else, I think. You know, I think I make do the best I can with what I got. And I'm very fortunate, to say the least, of what I do have. I have an amazing motorcycle, an incredible motorcycle. I have a really good camera with the Drift Ghost 4K when it wants to work. Lately, since I did the whole reset and everything like that, it's doing well. I'm actually impressed that it's back to the way it was. Especially when it went radioactive and nuclear or whatever, and tried to burn the shit out of my hand and Lakes Region Rider's hands. And the GoPro I have here, yeah, the Session 5, awesome. I can't speak more highly of how well the front-facing camera has done for me this year. I've never had an issue with it. I've never lost footage with it. It's actually done its job, like, really well. And I also have this pretty amazing helmet. from Voss, and you know, they sent it over to me, and then later on I did become an affiliate with them. I already have another Voss 989 helmet. That was the Helter Skelter one. This is the Parallax helmet. And, you know, I've done unboxing videos for them. I've done, well, not for, let me rephrase that. I've done them. They haven't asked me to ever do a video. They haven't asked me to do an unboxing. They haven't asked me to do a review. Come on, car. Okay. So yeah, they've never asked me to do an unboxing. They've never asked me to do a review. I've done them. And I feel like I can be perfectly 100% honest with them and totally tell them, you know, exactly what I like about the helmet, what I don't like about the helmet. I can say the same thing with Drift, but no one's going to listen because their customer support is terrible. GoPro's customer support is actually pretty good. I did have one question on the session back when I first got it, and they helped to answer that pretty much immediately. Drift takes about 4 to 5 days for them to get back to you, and then it's basically an automated message. Like, we got it. When we actually have a person to look at it, we'll get back to you. That's awesome. Taking his little daughter, or, oh God, it's a what if scenario. What if he stole that child? No. Taking his little daughter, it looked like, or niece, or who knows, out on a nice motorcycle ride. Yeah, so GoPro, pretty amazing customer service. Drift is absolutely the worst I've ever, in my lifetime, have ever had to deal with. Voss is the best customer service I have ever dealt with in my entire life. And that speaks volumes to just who they are. And getting back to the topic at hand, you know, making do with the best with what you got. You know, I think I do. Even like with my laptop, yeah, it's kind of it's a gaming laptop in a sense. I use it mainly for editing the videos and streaming. And you know, my editing skills are, you know, I gotta get better. I know that. That's something I know I gotta spend some time on this winter and really kind of buckle down and try to figure out some cool new editing styles, techniques, whatever you want. And I think I'm going to, you know, get it right. She has the biggest smile on her face. That's awesome. My dad used to take me for rides like that when I was about that young. So the other thing is, like, alongside with my computer, I get this question asked a lot, you know, what editor do I use? And it's Adobe Premiere Elements. I don't do the Premiere Pro because that requires you to pay monthly for it. And whereas I have the winter months hit me, and I'm not editing videos then. I mean, there's like 5 months out of the year, depending on the winter. I mean, it could go up to 6 months where I can't ride or edit or anything. So I don't see the need to actually buy this editor and pay monthly for it when half the time I can't use it. So Adobe Premiere Elements, it's literally a one-time charge, and it's basically a watered down version of Pro. It doesn't have all the bells and whistles of Pro. But it is pretty taxing on your computer, I will say that. I actually had issues with it locking up my computer. It was just totally killing my CPU. I ended up going and buying, I maxed out my laptop. I think I'm rocking 32 gigs of RAM now. And now it's just, it's perfect. Like, it runs perfectly fine. So make do the best you can with what you got, and I think I do it. I'd like to push out that question to you guys. What in your life do you do to, you know, make do with what you got the best you can? And what do you wish that you could upgrade to make it better? You know, like I said, I really want a drone. I really want the Mavic Air 2. It's definitely not going to happen this year. Probably not next year. You know, at that point, the Mavic Air 3 and 4 will probably be out. Who knows? But, you know, one day I'd like to get a drone to add to it, because, I mean, we got this beautiful area, and I'd love to bring it to new heights. Aha! Get it? New heights! And, you know, share it with you guys. I smell the devil's lettuce. I think it was that truck that I just passed, because now I don't smell it. He gave me a thumbs up. I don't think it was him, because I didn't smell it when he got in front of me there again. Well, that's cool. That's a nice guy. Gave me a thumbs up, let me go in front of him. Class act. Even though I'm stuck behind this guy that's totally giving me like Final Destination nightmares right now. It looks like a part of a dock in the back of his truck. Sketchy! So yeah, I mean, I have a lot of motovloggers out there that follow me and watch my videos, and also I have a lot of Twitch streamers as well. So tell me in the comments below what you would like, what you think you do that you know you can improve on, but you make the best that you can. And what would you like to upgrade? And in the meantime, you guys, if you're new to the channel, welcome. Glad to have you here. I'm sad to say that, you know, you got here at the end of the year, but we're gonna hit it frickin' strong next year, I'm telling you. We're gonna grow to new heights next year. It's gonna be amazing. And for all of you that are subscribed, you guys are amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. I can't. And sexy. I gotta remember the sexy. I wouldn't be here without you guys. So, guys and girls. I always say guys. I mean, in just everyone. So, until the next one, this is Captain Granite. Later.